What I don't understand is that I have my backpack, but I don't have my pants or shirt. What the hell?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
What?
Huh?
You're so sorry? I didn't bump into you. Alright, that's where the map's at. Great. Should I just download everything else? Car on demand. Do I even have money? I'll just hold on that. There we go. Let's see where we're going. Okay, we gotta go to dress ourselves. Where at? Not here. Is there one close by? Jeez. Fast travel. Okay, I was about to say. Okay, tops. Let's see. That's cool. Bro, stop moving. Thank you. Ooh. Hold up. Heck yeah. Which is it? Heck yeah.
So check this out. The wrinkles, they look a little like him. So I'm like,
Oh,
yeah. She's like,
that was really funny.
and it's proof that she's looking down
Oh
at us at all
my
times.
gosh.
No, it's so dumb.
Okay, I can't have that. Yep, definitely going in here. Move out of my way.
Really?
It's chill.
Bro, I'm about to punch you.
You alright?
No, I'm not alright.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What do you mean you're sorry? Okay, there we go. Something different. Yep, sounds like something different. Let's go. Alright, there we go. Something different. Let's go. Ooh, fancy. Yes, something to talk about. Because I am fancy.
Thought I could just shut myself off in my apartment and hammer out the songs in time for Fringe, but that kind of isolation isn't good for you. On one of my breaks, I read about how socializing improves overall brain activity.
But that's okay.
She's great, you know, really, really great.
Okay, well, no masks?
That I told you about. We're in a much better place now. Look, can I ask, just out of curiosity,
I just wanted to buy that. That's it. But I'm not gonna actually wear it. Don't. Adam is the same dude. I swear.
What's going on here?
You won't get out of my way. All right, let's see what kind of. I think I found it. Boom. Mine, bro. Heck yeah. For a starter right there. Ah! Ah! Oopsie.
No worries. Oh, careful.
You be careful. Whoa. That's so cool.
Yo.
Open sesame. You just press 2 digits at a time. Dun 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 dun. dun. Ooh. Action complete. Home. Home sweet home.
Yo.
Finally. So Josh and I spoke, and fucking over Bloom has been a long-standing project.
All right, you need two things to take down Bloom. You need to get people to rally behind your cause to separate you from the trolls.
And we need bots, and a lot of them to handle the data CTOS is processing.
Thank you, Josh.
We spent all night modifying our app so you can get followers to download the app, and we can use their processing power for the cause.
This is happening? It's really happening?
Yeah, man, this is happening. You better get to it.
Hell yeah, man! Barbarians are at the gate ready to bust some Roman heads.
Yeah, we're gonna focus on some high-profile ops, playing for exposure and laughs to get people to download our app. All right.
Don't worry. Start with something fun.
Heck yeah.
Marcus! Haha, check you out! Alive and dry. I wasn't sure after your moonlight swim. Come here. You've got to check this out.
I'm looking. What's up?
Behold, our very own open source research app. So, like, all of us here pool vulnerabilities that we find, and we encourage everyone to share their work, their research, etc.
Okay, so what's the research app do?
Widen our skill set? Make us irresistible to the gender of our choice?
What, so it's like a I know Kung Fu kind of deal?
If Kung Fu was a gender and not so 1999? Absolutely.
Alright, heck yeah. Ooh. Let's do this thing. Is that all the points I got? Do I have any more? No? Not ready for that? Guess not. So you'll talk to him again.
The wonders of technology.
A 3D
Oh,
printer?
really?
This is the army of printers. It is capable of pumping out an arsenal of lethal weapons down.
Seriously?
Yep. Once you master it, voila! Hipster merchant of death.
All good, except I'm no hipster.
You keep telling yourself that. Now try to make something. But don't blow us up.
Oh, I forgot about this. This is the fun part. Yes, I love that little cart in that drone. Alright, can I? Okay, thank God. Okay. Give me that little cart. Yes. It's so adorable. It looks like it could fly. Now let's try something else. Oh man. Oof. Dang. 3D print a gun. Yep. Interesting. Alright, let's do more 3D printing. Come on. So hold up. Okay. Okay. Let's do more stuff here. What else is on here? Paint jobs. Yeah. Maybe another day. What else? Oh, just another one. No, nothing more, I guess. Well, let's give this a paint job, I guess, then. Dead set, maybe? Okay, that works, I guess. How about this? Oh. Why is it telling me? Oh, I can go more down. Oh, look at that. Oh, man. Look at that. I'm getting that for sure. Look at that. Who wouldn't get that? Jeez. Why'd you have to hold it like that? And then just shove it into nowhere. That's so cool. That is the coolest pistol I see. I barely have any money now. Let's go! I don't understand why I had to pay, but cool. Since it's a 3D printing, but it's okay. I see something right there. I wonder what it is.
So we've been looking at this new guy, calls himself Retro. Now I like his style. Spent some time in Oakland. In fact,
No,
that's
so
where he
well.
earned some of his hacker cred. I read everything I could about it when it was going down. The Home Domain Center had to deal with Homeland Security. They rolled out cameras in Oakland and started stockpiling data on everybody. Somehow
How do I-
Retro got targeted by the thing and profiled him
Oh,
based
do
on
I
his
put my
computer
little
skills
cart in
and
there?
marked him as a prime suspect in the local high-tech robbery. The evidence was all digital. Nothing put him at the scene of the crime. And the case was a shit show. Full of quotes from people who didn't know anything about technology, lies everywhere, false flags and fear-mongering. They weren't about to admit to a flaw in their
No.
system. Retro got lucky. You got a judge that decided not to throw the book at him. So he ended up with
No.
community service. He says it wasn't a big deal because he got to work with kids. Taught them the truth about the system in place. Probably the best lesson they've ever learned. But he knew he was going back after the HDC. He data mined them, hacked into the accounts of their key members, exposed every little thing that showed just how corrupt the system was. A huge victory, right? Yeah, maybe not so much. Oh, he spanked the HDC, no question. Got the program shut down hard.
It's okay.
So where did all those cameras in Oakland go? They're still there. But guess who owns them now? Bloom. Let's talk about Satara.
Good to have
Alright.
another brother here.
How about now?
Hey, good to be here, man. Are you all hackers?
Yeah, kind of a basic requirement to get invited into the hacker space. But we all have our specialties, like Josh over there. Always building shit that shouldn't work. Now he's trying to build this big-ass drone.
And Wrench?
Good engineer, too. But better at breaking shit apart. And yo, Satara? Sis got skills as an artist and a graphic designer. Without her, DedSec's walking around without a face or voice.
What about you? What's your superpower?
Tactical coordinator or cat herder. Take your pick. I make DedSec go where it has the most impact. You heard of Prime 8? Those are some real dirty hacking motherfuckers.
Yeah, I brushed up against them before. It wasn't pleasant.
All right, that's what I like to hear. Link up with me when you're ready to do this, and I'll fill you in. There's always someone running ops against Prime 8.
Is
Bet they'd love your help.
Sure, why not? But first,
It's something, right?
This whole place is something.
We used to keep track of news feeds on here, but now it's our follower wall.
So it knows if we're trending?
No. It's based on hard values. How many people downloaded our app, how much processing power we have access to, you know.
Nice.
And speaking of which, we're downloading the DedSec app into your phone as we speak. When it's ready, open it up, click the suggested op, and hit the park outside so we can test it.
Sounds good.
One more thing. I put a reminder on your phone so you remember what we're gunning for. Get enough processing power to take down Bloom.
sweet. No, phone. There we go. Checking down Bloom. Which one? Think walk in the park. Let's go with that. Toot, toot, toot. Oh, sorry, buddy. I hate when I freeze. Toggle network everywhere to locate rewards. Okay. So where are the rewards at? I don't see anything. Oh, I see
The
something.
app's downloaded and I'm in the park. What am I testing?
Start profiling things around you. People,
May of defamation. In a recent interview, the counselor had described the organization as, quote, a
Talk to him.
fraudulent pyramid scheme. The
How
organization
did I
seems
just
to
talk
have
to
fought
him?
back with more than just lawyers. The counselor's private life was recently revealed when medical records of the counselor's transgender treatments were mysteriously released to the media. A spokesperson for New Dawn said that the organization had nothing to do with the leaked
I don't know
medical
how to talk to
records,
him.
and in her statement accused Counselor
Won't
Kamei
let me
of
press Y.
desperately
anything.
seeking attention.
Oh, there we go. Wow. Okay.
Hey, so what's this about Bobo Dakes?
You know Bobo's working on a new album, right?
Yeah, I heard.
Well, you won't get to hear it? Motherfucker Gene Carcani just put millions on...
What is
Oh,
a big
jeez.
pharma...
Dude has a huge...
Do you know if Bobo took the deal?
He hasn't announced
And maybe...
time for what?
Time for huge compensation.
I assume you guys have heard of Gene Carcani?
he's the shit sack who's on TV laughing about how he's raising the price of leukemia medicine.
Yeah, the most hated man in America? Yeah, why do you ask?
Guy's a huge Bobo Dakes fan. Must have read Bobo's in
jeez.
town recording new tracks because he's offering millions to keep the album to himself.
So stupid. Bobo will never go for it.
The real one won't. So we're gonna do it for him. I'm gonna visit Bobo and see if I can borrow some of his new tracks as proof that we're legit.
How do we contact Carcani?
I need you guys to run through interviews, podcasts, whatever. Find me some usable lines. We're gonna make a soundboard.
Ooh, I love this.
Cool.
Enough. I mean, I wanted to do it.
So I'm going.
That would be too much. I dealt with some shitty DMs before. I just don't
What am
want
I
to.
doing?
Gotta compile a soundtrack for the evening print.
Jeez! All of a sudden I got so many. Oh, I got-
Retro, feel like stealing some
That's
primate
all.
intel? You got something for me? One of their lackeys in your neck of the woods. Hack them for what they've got, but make sure you don't get caught. You know how primate do?
Sure, let's do that. But I need a car. Or fast travel. Yeah, it's gonna take a bit. Alright, just no, go over here. Yep. Thank you. Motorcycle! Bam bam.
Marcus, guys, the cyber driver trailer just dropped.
Oh, yeah, sweet. Hey, don't watch it without me.
Meet you at the hackerspace.
I'm on my way.
What? But don't get up there. Get up there. I know you can do this. Come on. There we go. Am I even allowed in here?
Before. How's the soundboard coming?
Yo, a Bobo Dakes, bitch.
Oh, perfect.
So, how do we contact Carcani?
I'm gonna visit his mansion. I need to see his face when we do this.
I hope it's close.
Careful.
Oh, they're looking for me. Go, 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 go. Jump, 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 jump. Hide, hide. Right here. Why is there a driver VIP client nearby? What? Anyway. Oh. Oh. I think I went too far. I need to move. I'm like hideout right there. Yep, right here. And then
People keep buying this new Dawn bullshit. It's obviously a money-making scheme disguised as a New Age church. These things usually target the uneducated and the elderly. But I'm seeing intelligent, well-spoken celebrities flock to it. What is going on? And how do I get in on the profit?
Guess I'll just leave it here. I'll figure it out. Alright guys, please, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a like, and leave down in the comments what games you want me to play next, and I'll try them out. Thanks for watching. See ya!